Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get silver and gray coins in Geometry Dash. Let's start with the first step, which is understand the coin types. So Geometry Dash has different types of coins. So there is silver and gray coins. So these are special secret coins found in hidden locations within levels. So just a pro tip, silver coins often unlock exclusive icons and reward. Next step is find hidden coin locations. So secret coins are hidden in the tricky spots throughout the levels. So look for a fake walls, hidden path, and secret routes. Next is many coins require taking alternative routes. So from here, you just have to look for sections where you can jump through invisible blocks or take hidden passages. And the next one is time your movements carefully to grab the coin. So each level has 3 secret coins that contribute to your total collection. And lastly is accumulated coins unlock chests in the treasure room. So open them to receive exclusive icons, colors, and other rewards. So collect coins from different difficulty levels for variety rewards. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!